I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what medieval Italian sounded like. Imagine a language evolving over centuries, distinct from the Italian we hear today. Its sounds were shaped by its Latin roots and the diverse regions where it was spoken. We'll explore how these phonetic differences give us a unique window into the past, helping us understand ancient texts and the linguistic journey of Italy. Let's dive into the vowels. Unlike modern Italian's 5 main vowel sounds, medieval Italian had a richer system of 7 distinct vowels. These vowels often retained their pure, open qualities, much closer to their Latin origins. This meant subtle but important differences in how words were articulated, contributing to a unique melodic flow that listeners would have experienced. Now, let's explore some fascinating consonant differences. Double consonants, for instance, were pronounced with a clear, sustained length, unlike their often shortened modern counterparts. The letter Z often carried a TS or DZ sound. Also, GL was typically a hard G followed by L, and GN resembled the NY sound in English words like canyon, adding to its unique phonetic character. Medieval Italy was a tapestry of diverse regional dialects, each with its own phonetic quirks. While the Tuscan dialect eventually became the foundation for modern Standard Italian, other regions had distinct pronunciations. These sounds weren't static. They evolved slowly over hundreds of years, influenced by local interactions and historical events. This rich linguistic landscape offers a captivating glimpse into the past.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.